morning everybody. Welcome to English language video. In this video, I'm going to talk about main verbs. We have been talking about main verbs for some days, okay? It's the continuation. Today we are going to practice verbs starting from C letter, okay? Calculate. First verb. Calculate, हिसाब गर्नु. Calculated, calculated, calculating and calculates. Okay. Second, call. Call means बोलाउनु, phone गर्नु. Call. Called, called, calling and calls. Okay. Now cancel. Cancel भनेको रद्द गर्नु. Cancelled, cancelled, cancelling and cancels. Okay, cancels. Your flight has been cancelled due to the bad weather. Your flight has been cancelled. रद्द गरिएको छ due to the bad weather. खराब मौसमको कारणले. Your flight has been cancelled due to the bad weather. यस्तै we cancelled the meeting. हामीले मिटिङ क्यान्सल गर्यौं. यस्तो क्यान्सल. Care. Care means ख्याल गर्नु. Cared, cared, caring and cares. Carry. Carry means बोक्नु. Carried, carried, carrying and carried. Okay. Now let's see second. Catch. समात्नु. Caught. Caught, caught, caught. Catching, catch it. Okay. Catch को र teach को चाहिँ अलिक फरक हुन्छ है. सबैमा ed लाग्दैन. Catch को cut भयो. Okay. Cut, caught, catching and catch it. CEASE, cease. Cease means रोकिनु. Ceased, ceased, ceasing and ceases. Okay. Celebrate. यसलाई celebrate पनि भन्न सकिन्छ. Celebrate or celebrate. Celebrate means मनाउनु अथवा celebrate means मनाउनु. Celebrate र celebrate दुईटा यसको pronunciation छ. Celebrated, celebrated, celebrating and celebrates. Okay. Change. बदल्नु. Changed, changed, changing and changes. Okay. Chase. Chase भनेको खेदाउनु. Chased, chased, chasing, chases. Okay. Chase the dog. खेदाउ. Don't chase the cow. गाईलाई नखेदा. Okay. Now let's see third. Cheat. ठग्नु. Cheating गर्नु. Cheat. Cheated, cheated, cheating, cheats. Check means जाँच्नु. Check गर्नु. Checked, checked, checking, checks. CHEW, chew. Chew means चपाउनु. Chewed, chewed, chewing and choose. Okay. Chide means गाली गर्नु. Chided, chided, chiding, chides. Okay. Choose means छान्नु. Select गर्ने कामलाई choose गर्नु भनिन्छ. Chose हुन्छ यसको चाहिँ फेरि. Chose, chosen, choosing, chooses. Okay. Number 4. Claim. Claim means दाबी गर्नु. Claimed, claimed, claiming, claimed. Okay. Please claim your ownership. तपाईको अधिकार छ, तपाईको हो भनेर क्लेम गर्नुहोस्. Claim. Okay? Clap means ताली बजाउनु. Clapped, clapped, clapping, claps. Clean means सफा गर्नु. Cleaned, cleaned, cleaning, cleans. Okay? Climb means चढ्नु. Climbed, climbed, climbing, climbs. Collect means जम्मा गर्नु. Collected, collected, collecting, and collects. Okay? Now, 5. Collide. Collide means ठक्कर खानु. कोलिड जस्तो देखिन्छ. Collide. ठक्कर खानु. Collide, collided, collided, colliding, and collides. Okay? Come, आउनु. Came, come, coming, comes. Okay? Compare. Compare means तुलना गर्नु. Compare. Compared, compared, comparing, and compares. Okay? Compel means बाध्य बनाउनु. Compel. Don't compel me. मलाई बाध्य नबनाउनुहोस्. I don't like this matter. Okay? Don't compel me. मलाई बाध्य नबनाउनुहोस्. Compelled, compelled, and compelling, and compels. Okay? Complete. पूरा गर्नु. Completed, completed, completing, completes. Okay? Now, confirm. निश्चित गर्नु. Confirmed, confirmed, confirming, confirms. Okay? Please confirm your ticket. Confirm गर्नुहोस्. अब पे गरेपछि confirm हुने होला. Confirm गर्ने. हैन? तपाईको IELTS को पनि रजिस्टर गर्यो. अनि तपाईको एप्लिकेसन रिसिभ भयो भन्ने हुन्छ. अनि फी तिर भन्छ. फी तिरेपछि बल्ल कन्फर्मेसन लेटर पठाइदिन्छ. भनेपछि के बुझ्यो? कन्फर्म गर्ने काम. निश्चित गर्ने, ओके गर्ने. कन्सिडर. विचार गर्नु. Considered, considered, considering, and considers. Okay? Contract. सम्पर्क गर्नु. Contracted, contracted, contracting, and contracts. Control. नियन्त्रण गर्नु. Controlled, controlled, controlling, controls. Okay? Cook. पकाउनु. Cooked, cooked, cooking, cooks. Okay, now 7. Cost. मूल्य पर्नु. Cost, cost, costing, and costs. Cost को B2, B3 पनि cost नै हुन्छ. मूल्य पर्ने कामलाई पनि cost भनिन्छ. मूल्यलाई पनि cost भन्यो. Okay? Cost. Create. Create means सिर्जना गर्नु. Creation भनिन्छ सिर्जनालाई. भनेपछि क्रिएट गर्ने कामलाई सिर्जना गर्नु भन्छ. Created, created, creating, creates. Okay? Cry. Cry means रुनु. Cried, cried, crying, cries. Cut. काट्नु. Cut, cut, cutting, and cuts. Okay? Okay, in this way, some verbs starting from see later we practiced. Only this much is not enough, okay? Which verbs are difficult for you? Write down and practice. Okay? किन practice गर्ने त? मैले धेरै पल्ट भनेको छु. हैन? कुनै कुरा भन्नै सकिँदैन. भर्बको 5 वटा फर्म नजान्ने मान्छेले भन्न सक्दैन. खास कुरो भन्न सक्दैन. हैन? खास कुरो चाहिँ भन्न सक्दैन. त्यसकारण पनि शब्दहरु त जान्नु पर्यो. ओके? अब सपोज यहाँनेरि हेरौं. कलेक्ट मिन्स जम्मा गर्नु छ नि। मैले 50,000 जम्मा गरेँ भन्नु पर्यो भने कलेक्टेड भन्ने शब्द नै जान्नु पर्यो। I collected 50,000 rupees. कलेक्ट गरेँ। I collect भन्यो भने त जम्मा गर्छु भयो। भेला गर्छु, जम्मा गर्छु। I collect. ओके? तर I collected भन्यो भने जम्मा गरेँ भयो। जम्मा गरेको छु भन्नु पर्यो भने त एको छु हुने बित्तिकै I have मा भित्री। I have collected 50,000 rupees. मैले 50,000 रुपैयाँ जम्मा गरेको छु। पैसाको मात्र हो र कलेक्ट भनेको अरूतिर पनि युज हुन्छ नि। तपाईँ पिकनिक जानुभयो। Okay, let's collect some firewood. ल हामी केही दाउराहरू जम्मा गरौँ। Let's collect some firewood. Okay? यसरी पनि हुन्छ नि। Okay. Okay, thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, dislike, comment, and share. Thank you.